Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you a very simple process to create amazing results on your gel plates every time. It never fails. You can either start from scratch like I'm going to show you here, just using a couple paints, gel plate and your brayer and some recycled paper, or you can use ugly prints that you may have laying around that you don't see use for. You're going to need a stencil. I'll be using just this one, but you can use a variety. And I am going to be using some stamps. If you are new to my channel, the way I like to work is putting ocean waves, ocean sounds in the background. And every once in a while, I pop in for a tip, or I would just be writing on the screen what's happening. But the process is pretty self-explanatory. Enjoy the ocean sounds. I'm choosing to do stripes here, but you can really do your print however you want. And this plate is pretty damaged already. It's time to remake that one. It's a homemade plate, but you will see that it creates the white spots on my print, and I absolutely love that. I don't mind plates being dirty. I don't mind plates having little spots. I think it adds character to my prints. Check that out. Another quick tip, something I like to do is whenever I put the pink on the first time around, now I'm putting the blue and vice versa. Whenever there was blue, now I'm putting the pink. This way, if there's any residue left underneath, it's going to create a layer. Another thing you will notice here, I'm keeping the colors to make a couple prints out of each combination because since I have the colors out, I like creating like a collection. So I'll pull a bunch of prints with this color scheme so that I have my own collection. Another thing I do sometimes is to let them dry really good, and then I'll come back and I'll do printing on the other side. Now I will have a double-sided paper collection. the first choice you're gonna have here, as far as variation goes, is to either do the entire stencil, and I'm here choosing to do the entire stencil, creating a mandala effect, or choosing to do just parts of your stencil and even combine different stencils to create different images for the second layer. I will just do a couple examples here on camera. At the very end, I'll be showing you all the results and other things that I've done off camera as well. Also, don't be afraid of removing your stencil and bringing it back, because it's really easy to eyeball the exact space, and you will see in the final results. If it's a little off, it still looks good. It doesn't look like much yet, but wait, we're not done. So if you are happy and if you want something more discreet for a background, maybe you are welcome to use they as they are. However, I want to kick it up a notch. I'm going to be using my Posca pens, my black and my white Posca pens. I'm using a fine one, the 1MR, to enhance the prints. And one more time, I want to remind you that if you don't position it exactly on the right spot, it's okay. It still looks good. You might have to lift your stencil to make sure you are tracing all the areas that you stencil. And wow, looks pretty good, I think. So here are the final results with all the variations. For a couple of the prints, I used the black Posca pen for this look a lot more discreet. Here's some in white. And I don't know if you can notice the details, but some I did a very precise placement of the stencil when I was tracing, and some I didn't. Some are a little off. I don't think you can really tell. Here are the stamped ones. They are more subtle, but you can choose to trace the images with the white Posca pen as well to make them pop. And this is my absolute favorite when I mix stamping, stenciling, and the white Posca pen. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I inspire you to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.